In this episode, we're decorating more for fall. So if you're interested in seeing what's decorated and how it turned out, you know what to do. Stick around. Here are some of the things I'm going to be using in a small tablescape for fall in the breakfast area. Now I'm using the copper chargers that's already on the table, and I'm using these plates from the Dollar Tree, and then these teal napkins that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond years ago, the black flatware from Toomey, and this this teal glass that I thrifted. I'm gonna maybe use this lantern. I pulled it out because it was teal. And then my napkin rings, which I forgot I had, that are copper and kind of a bronze and a black leaf. And I'm using those feathered flowers. They came from the Dollar Tree. And the calla lilies, they came from Amazon. And these acorns here, they came from the Dollar Tree. Now these are some of the items that I'm going to be using. So if you want to see how this table turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, I don't know what happened to the rest of this film. I am really outdone that the whole part of me putting it together is not here. But this is how everything turned out. I think it turned out really pretty. All the colors popped so well together. Let me know what you think of this tablescape down below. I'm really proud of it. I tried to keep it simple and just add pops of color to match this plate set. I think fall is a really calming season, and I'm really glad that I decided to do my breakfast table up for fall. So again, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.